Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm with Jaeger Troop. How are you today, sir? Mr. Tango, my man, and the club. How are you, buddy? Jaeger Troop, where are we going today? Today's your day. You found the destination. Tell us about it.
Today we're going to an old favorite, Johnny Rebs True South Barbecue.
We're going to eat some steaks and stuff.
Taco Bell. Let's go.
We're not going to Taco Bell. We're going to eat barbecue. So what makes this place so special?
It's just an Orange County favorite. I've been going here for years. I'd like to take you along.
And Tango, you've been to it a bunch of times. You like it.
Good stuff.
Right on. Well, I've never been, so I'm excited to try. Rebs Barbecue. Yeah, I've never been there. Apparently there's multiple locations. Originally we were going to try to go to the one in Orange, but that's just too close. It's a super nice day. Let's go right up and down the coast a little bit, because there's another location in Long Beach, so we're going to hit the Long Beach one. Makes perfect sense to me. So today, Club's back on the speed triple. His R1 still sucks, so but Triumph it is. And then, of course, we got Jaeger Troop on the Aprilia, as well as Tango. Kind of the odd man out as far as exotics go. We got the Mayans coming through. Oh, damn, dude. I just realized I don't have any stickers. I don't know what I'm gonna get Bob.
No, I didn't want to park in the shade, all right? Leave me alone. Oh, he's got something.
Really?
No.
Bob's handling his cock again. Okay. All right, Bob. That's not appropriate. Put your cock away. Bob,
Hey, you got nothing for
it's all
me
good,
today.
buddy.
Where's our lunch money?
We'll see you later, buddy. What is this?
Like a caramel candy?
Oh, caramel.
Caramel.
Caramel. What is it? Caramel or caramel? I don't know.
Caramel.
It's the title of this video.
A few moments later.
All right, sodas were good. Everything was good. I'm good. I'm hot, though. Let's go eat and hungry. Where are we going? Johnny Rebs?
Johnny Rebs.
Johnny Rebs in Long Beach.
Let's do it.
You gonna get us there?
I'll get us there.
My man. Are you riding this?
Come on, let's do a switcheroo.
Man, I haven't ridden this bike in so long. Feels a little weird. Feels good, though. Sounds good. This bike sounds so good. Man, this bike is 100% different than my GSX-R. It's hard to ride. We're getting split up a little bit. How did we get so separated from everybody? Wife swap. Hey, can I have my remote? Alright. I guess we're racing to the white line. I got the slowest bike in this whole line. I think I'm gonna win though. I don't think, I know. That was simple. For the record, I don't know if everybody was racing or not. Good golly, Miss Molly. Out of my way, Prius. Wow, think about it. Summer's over. That means all you guys on the East Coast and North, screwed. You're all done riding. Let me tell you what happens in California when it's too cold for all you guys to ride. It gets nicer for us. I bumped into him so hard I hurt my wrist. She's popping out of gear these days every now and then. We still got a long way to go, buddy. And I'm not saying a long way to go today, I'm saying overall. This bike has life left to it. I'm gonna get this son of a bitch to 100,000 miles. Mark my words. And then, I'm gonna buy another bike. Where'd Adam go? Did we lose Adam? I have no idea where Adam went. Pull over. So we lost Tango. We don't know where he's at. We've been sitting here for about 5 minutes. We've called him twice, no answer. I hope we're anyway, I'm gonna turn around. We're gonna go look for him. Club's gonna sit here, wait for Jaeger Troop to come back. We've turned this situation into a f***ing mess. All right, let's go find Tango. Hope he's all right. It's just he was there 1 minute and then gone the next. You know what? Maybe he wasn't having fun riding around with us and dipped out. Maybe he got hit by a Prius. That's a bummer, man. I don't know where he went. I hope he's all right. I couldn't find him. We've been sitting here for probably 15-20 minutes. We went out looking for him.
He probably went to Taco Bell. I don't blame him.
We've called him, texted him, nothing. I don't know. He probably just dipped out. I don't know. Maybe he had to go do something. Look at the ocean. Man, I could stare at the ocean all day, every day. This is awesome. Hi, Ferrari. Bye, Ferrari. That guy. Did you see that shit? Yeah, Hicker Troop missed out. Gotta get a pen. Pelican Hill Resort, it's pretty serious. Really high-end shit here. So we show up on these shitty motorcycles and they all kind of freak out because they know we can't afford to be there. You'll see nothing but high-end cars too. Fuck you, stop sign. Just need to grab something out of the lobby real quick. I forgot something. Can I grab a pen real quick? Thanks, buddy. Or borrow a pen.
I have one too.
Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you.
It smells like soap. Soap perfume.
All right, we all got really nice pens now.
We're gonna see what this is all about.
It's a good pen.
Here, draw a papaya on my arm.
Draw a papaya.
I like where this is going. Kind of looks like a papaya if you really put your noggin to it.
So we got a quick update from Tango. He is alive and well and okay. What happened was at the Tribuco General Store, we all had our phones out. We were screwing around. He left his phone there, realized it, had a moment of panic, turned around, got his phone, and now the world is right again. Except he turned around, went back home. So it's just going to be us three for the rest of the day. Let me see one of these. Captain Man. Whatever happened to Captain Man?
Yeah, he just stopped talking to us.
I know. He fell in love. That's what happens when you fall in love.
It's alright, Captain Man. We still love you.
Captain Man, we do love you.
Yeah.
We're going to put your sticker right here for today. Today, my speeding is going to be dedicated to you. It's so weird. There's so much overcast over here by the ocean. Looks like a shitty day, but it's not. I'll tell you what, it is perfect out right now. If this wasn't here, if this overcast wasn't there, it'd probably be 100 degrees, man. All that. Look at this, dude. It's a lifted VW. That's cool. Slow it back, pal. Okay, so we got separated from Club a little bit, so we're just going to kind of hang out and wait for him. There he is. All right, my man. What'd we get?
We got your favorite, puppy taco.
Look at that.
Can you handle that?
I can handle it. Now I just got to take my helmet off and eat it.
That was good.
I'm glad I joined the association today.
Wait.
That was like an appetizer for the main event.
That was actually the main event.
So where we're going now is dessert?
Yeah.
That's fair. No time for rest now. I'm going to take this opportunity to thank all the Patreons of the channel, as well as the YouTube members. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Knowing that you guys are behind me definitely keeps me motivated. Thanks, guys. The hell is that thing? Look at this thing. Jeez. Oh, here it is. Johnny Rebs. Oh, you can tell by looking at it, this place is going to be good. All right, barbecue time.
I'm content with my taco, but let's go eat.
All right, Jaeger Troop, Johnny Rebs, man. What'd you get?
I got the tri-tip, I got the brisket, and I got a Cajun sausage.
So this is the first time you ever had chicken and waffles.
Yeah, beef and pancakes.
Did you like it?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
I had sliced tri-tip, I had macaroni and cheese, I had some Cajun rice, mashed potatoes, and country gravy. Everything that I put in my mouth was really good. I'll definitely be back. If I'm in the area and I was looking for some barbecue, this would be the spot. Well, with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Big shout out to all the Patreons of the channel. I can't tell you enough. I love you all. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. Don't forget, support the channel sponsors, Chaparral Motorsports, Law Offices of Henry Haddad, and Voss Helmets. They keep this channel alive. And I'll catch you guys later. Brother.